Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this kind of preset in Lightroom Mobile. If you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now let's get started. Contrast -19. Highlights -100. Shadows +31. Whites -57. And blacks +7. Go to curve. And done. Next go to color. Temp +5. Tint -7. Vibrance -10. And saturation -38. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue +39. Saturation +86. Go to orange. Hue -23. Saturation +39. Luminance +9. Go to yellow. Hue -11. Saturation -60. Luminance plus 38. Go to green. Hue plus 21. Saturation minus 76. Luminance plus 22. Go to aqua. Hue plus 10. Saturation minus 33. Luminance plus 13. Go to blue. Hue minus 32. Saturation plus 47. Luminance minus 29. Go to purple. Hue minus 9. Saturation minus 49. Go to magenta. Hue minus 4. Saturation minus 16. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity minus 5. Grain to 8. Go to split toning. Bring hue 38 and saturation 5 for highlights. And done. Next go to detail. Sharpening to 4. Radius to 0.7. Detail to 54. Masking to 11. Color noise reduction to 6. Detail to 32. Smoothness to 48. And finish. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.